And this is us at Funchal. And there's a cable car cabbing away on up. And we're heading for the cable car to take us up to the Botanic Gardens. So this is us heading up for the cable car for the Botanical Gardens. In Funchal. Funchal. It's the harbour. There's folks getting into the gondola. Up and away for these folks here. And here we go.
Net een rollen website. Kijk, dat is de aardappel. Kijk, hoe is het best met de aardappel. Oh ja.
And here we are getting a Holmes or a swallow's eye view of Funchal.
Every square inch is covered in something. What's the class? It's pretty. You don't need to be afraid of heights, Shreya.
No.
No, that one. Press and hold it. To get round. Direct your ankle.
Aye, dead on. And in the cabin we have got, what's your first name?
Gerrit. Gerrit.
Gerrit from Holland. What city? City? Amsterdam?
The middle.
The middle.
The middle of Holland.
All right.
Ja.
Are there tulips growing near you?
Ja,
A lot of tulips.
Keukenhof, hè?
Keukenhof.
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 Right. And what's your first name?
Andy.
Andy, and we have Andy from Hull, the city of culture, I believe.
Was, yeah.
The home of the famous rock band Lindisfarne.
Yeah.
Oh, Fog in the Time. I know them all.
If someone wasn't doing a round trip, are they planning to walk back down?
Well, we considered doing the baskets. We'd have liked to have done the baskets, you know, when they push you down.
Yes.
But then you pay a single to go up,
Yes.
and then you pay for the basket, which they push you down the streets, but then you need to get a taxi back up. So it's like,
taxi to
by the
get the
time you've
basket.
finished messing about.
Yes, so it doesn't bring you right down to the bottom.
Not unless you get the return.
Right.
It's a tad pricey.
We didn't fancy the baskets.
No, you see, we did.
But it's going to work out a
But
lot
it
more.
really
It was
expensive.
112
That's a bit much.
to do
The whole thing.
the one
Yeah.
way up, plus the baskets, because that's priced each, not
Yes.
per basket. Then it's about €20 to then get a taxi back up, to then join on to the botanical gardens and then get the trip back down. It's like 112, I think she
Something
said.
like that.
I just went, oh, forget it. We'll just do the gardens.
Yes. Just
we-
return
Yeah.
ticket, please.
Yeah.
We were told, what, 62 or something or other for,
Yeah.
for the full
Yeah,
two?
for two of us.
So we're only paying 30 for
No,
the-
no, we paid 62.
Aye.
It would have been, it's 50 each
Oh, aye.
to go the second cable car to
Aye, the second
Monte.
cable car, that's a bit,
Mm.
it's a bit steep. I mean, you wouldn't pay that getting into the Vatican.
What did we pay?
That'll be included your second.
That's your botanical gardens though, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know.
As well.
Yeah, because you get ticket 1, which is this one, and then you get ticket 2,
Two
where
to
you get off, look
botanical
at the gardens,
gardens,
and then you do the next
And then you
bit.
get back to.
Right, okay.
With
the end of
ticket
this
2,
one.
which should be stapled.
Yeah, you should,
So yeah.
should have it
Yes.
all.
For the
should-
botanical
That's
gardens.
ticket 2.
Yeah.
So that's for your next set.
You're in this, you see, you understand it. We're just, we're just bog trotters.
I was
you
just
know.
disappointed we didn't do the baskets.
You might be
It would have been
disappointed
good
when
fun.
you see it.
Well, yeah.
I'd say the baskets would sort of have a health and safety issue, you know.
They could well have, yeah. Because it all
I'm
down
sure
the roads, isn't it?
I'm sure we'll see them shortly.
They're all down the roads.
We saw them at the airport. There's a make believe basket down there.
Well, it was an actual basket.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Two for one, two for cup. Two there, two.
Right, Manchester.
It's very hot.
Today showed.
Zet wel open. Ja.
Have you been here long? How many days?
10 days.
10 days. And you're going home soon?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Donderdag, Thursday. To Holland.
And you're here 10 days, or?
No,
A week, yeah.
we fly back to England on Thursday.
Right.
You?
We arrived
2 weeks.
yesterday.
Yeah.
We just came yesterday.
Oh, ze zijn gisteren gekomen.
We just started.
Having 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely.
Did you walk any of the favelas or whatever, Lavalas or whatever they are?
No,
No.
I can't with my ankle. I had an accident before we came away, so
Alright.
I'm struggling. Yeah.
And there's plenty of walking
Yeah, there
even
is.
in
Oh,
the
yeah.
town,
Yeah.
isn't there?
There's not a lot of
Yeah.
flat areas, is there? It's all hills.
As we were
It's
saying,
all
Swells. It's
For any-
Totally
all that
surprised.
Yeah.
side, it just goes.
there. For anyone who can't walk,
Oh,
even
it's not
walking in the
a- yeah.
town is hard, you know, because
Yeah.
the pavements are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But where we are, it's access-wise is
Is okay.
it's just where you like that.
All right.
awkward for the calves.
Yes.
The pavements are the health and safety issues with the
Oh,
pavements. You know, there's holes and there's
It's the
There's trees growing on the roots underneath, and it's lifting it.
It's the roots. It's unbelievable.
you could break an ankle very handy.
I know, especially at night when it's dark and
Yeah,
you know, you're walking.
yeah.
Definitely. Are you in Funchal? Is your hotel in?
We're in a villa,
All right.
but we're up on the top actually.
Where the
We're
stadium
up
is
by the
there.
stadium,
Oh,
We're
right.
just
around the back of the
past the
stadium.
same.
Okay. What kind of stadium? What is that stadium?
Football.
The football
Is it
stadium.
football?
Yeah, there was playing sport in Lisbon
Oh.
Yeah.
last night before.
Maritimo.
All we could hear was a cheer,
Right.
and he was
Not
watching the
into
results come in, and I said, "Someone scored," and then he said, "Oh yeah, Sporting's just scored."
Yeah.
Yeah, you could hear them, couldn't you? Just round the corner.
Our boys are into football. They're Manchester United.
Oh yeah, like me.
You are, aren't you?
I would like to visit to the CR7 museum then.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's only €5.
We went to it in Villamura.
Oh, did you?
It was a travelling
Yeah, yeah.
museum.
It had
So we
just-
went there. It is worth going to see,
Yeah, it
like,
is.
even if you know nothing about football.
No,
Yeah.
we
You know.
didn't we just to see all his trophies and
Yeah.
Trophies and shirts and
boots.
yeah.
Things are right now.
We're high up.
Is that the place up there we're heading? Or?
I don't actually know, love. Where? I can't see where.
Hang on
I don't
there.
know, there are little villages up there, aren't there?
Allemaal tekken
Oh, where then?
misschien weer voor die,
Ja, die bloemen.
voor die bloemenleer.
Kijk, allemaal eucalyptus bomen.
Richard.
Oh, het ligt dan samen, eucalyptus. Ik ben bij ons hartstikke nieuw.
En hier zo ze.
Je had Edo ook in
Quite a
je
steep
opstaan.
back garden on that
Die
one,
overgroeien.
lot.
Yeah, just
Die
yes.
zee
Oh.
weggehaald.
There's a lot of challenging areas for
Yeah.
people to garden.
Een mooie boom.
Ja, ze weer werk mee toch?
Ja, dan moet je hem snoeien.
Ja.
And they have planted as well.
Zonde.
Oh yeah, there's chickens.
Dan kun je ook leuke
Of they're
siertakken die tussen de bloemen zitten.
Making the most of it, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Sheep.
Is there sheep down there too?
There.
Oh yes.
3 scherp, 4, 4, 5.
My goodness.
Nee. Oké.
There's a
Good morning. Nee, dat ging loopt hij.
look where the car's parked up there. Flip.
Is it parked or
You
is
see them over there?
Oh, yeah.
They're on top of the shed. Somebody lives in that wee house down there. See where they
All the washing.
Kan zo in de plek.
Ik denk om die platen erop te halen, als ik het zo zie.
Ja, dan een stuk steen erop.
Ja.
En dan meer erop.
Ja.
Was actually.
Mooi plekje. Ja, nog geen privacy meer.
And we're just about to stop.
Het ziet er wel een beetje zwaar aan.
Mooi tuintje.